Good evening. We've had another largely dry, fairly cloudy day across the country. This picture was taken by one of our weather watchers in Shropshire earlier on in the day, so pretty cloudy conditions there. There were some glimpses of sunshine around, and actually that story isn't going to change much over the next few days. So for the last few days of 2018, high pressure keeps things mostly dry, cloudy and mild. There will be some rain in the forecast, especially across the northern half of the UK. Now that's down to this weather front, which is tracking its way west to east. High pressure very much the driving force further south though. So through the rest of tonight then, patchy rain across parts of Northern Ireland, Scotland, Northern England and North Wales too. Perhaps the odd spot of rain reaching East Anglia through the early hours of Sunday. But it is East Anglia in the southeast that will see the lowest of the temperatures, with clear spells holding on longest. So a touch of frost possible in the southeast. Most of us frost-free to start your Sunday morning. But there will be a lot of clouds, some drizzly outbreaks of rain around first thing. Through the day, it should brighten up a little bit for most parts. Best of any spells of sunshine will be across eastern England and eastern Scotland too. The rain will linger for much of the day for the Northern Isles, and we could see a little bit of drizzly rain for northwest Scotland, perhaps around the hills of Western England and Wales as well. Temperature-wise, 10 to 12 degrees out there, still pretty mild. Now looking ahead towards New Year's Eve on Monday, and high pressure still very much with us. We have got weather fronts to the north and they'll bring some breezier conditions for parts of Scotland. Some outbreaks of rain likely here in the northwest through the day. Perhaps some of that patchy rain just pushing a bit further south on into the evening hours. But for much of the country, again, it is looking dry. Still pretty cloudy conditions and reasonably mild, with temperatures on New Year's Eve around about 10 or 11 degrees. Now, we will hold on to that dry and settled weather for most of us through the night. So if you've got plans to see in the new year, for most places, it is going to be dry. There's just a chance of seeing some rain, particularly across parts of Scotland. Fairly cloudy skies around, though, if you are expecting to see some of those fireworks, but at least it's mild and largely dry. For New Year's Day on Tuesday, high pressure still with us. We've got a very weak front, which will bring perhaps the odd spot of light rain in the north. But for most of us, it is going to be another dry and mild day before things then start to turn a little bit colder and more wintry as we head into the new year. Bye-bye.